Hi, welcome to my channel. I was rather concerned from a few postings on Facebook groups and forum that there may be a serious issue with the Dragunov stock. So I took it upon myself to remove it to see where the problem lies, and I can see where the problem is. A couple of them said their stock cracked right out of the box, and I can see that. Apparently it cracked from this top pinhole all the way across horizontally, even past the reinforcement screw that they put in that they thought it might happen. Now, I also remove the fixed stock from the rifle and compare the two differences, and you can see there's a vast difference in terms of reinforcement, or shall I say wood meat in front of the retaining pins. There is only about 2.5 millimeters of meat or wood in front of these two pins, whereas you can tell there's this like 1 inch here and about 3/8 on the lower pin. And matter of fact, this whole block is a reinforcement, and if I put that in, it's the whole wood block is reinforced by the rear trunnion. Not so with the new Dragunov stock. As you can see, this is the only part that's being supported, like half that size, right? And that's it. And it doesn't take much for it to flip down like this and crack it right there. Also bear in mind, when I remove the stock, I'll weigh this part, the barrel and the receiver part, no innards, and it weighed 5 pounds. And when I did it to this, with the heavier barrel, with the longer handguard, no innards, it was almost 7 pounds, 2 more pounds heavier. So if you can imagine just not holding the front and just holding the grip by itself, you can quite easily, just from the sheer weight, could crack it. And this is not even talking about firing it or dropping it. So this is where I see a serious issues. So this is just to let you guys know that this may just happen. So thank you very much for joining me, and please subscribe.